Oh no. Oh no. Photo etch. Ah! Hooray! I choose to believe that car has stopped to watch me perform the amazing feat of loading my wagon with lettuce.
Oh, look at that. He did it. He didn't even hurt himself or get out of the tractor.
Good evening. I am Herbert Erpaderp, and I'm here to praise the glue god. They can't stop the glue gods. Nobody can stop the glue gods. Why the weird inflection on nobody? Why not? Can we enter through the butthole? Disgusting.
Oh, I feel like there's something missing. I don't know what it could be. Ah.
Oh no! Neville, the arse McFist, has gotten into trouble with the law. Your band doesn't have enough money to pay the $16.95 in legal costs. So the arse will be forced to quit the band. What? Why is it the band's responsibility to pay for his legal costs? What a piece of shit. Now I'm a bit annoyed. Now we've got to go and find a new whatever the arse did. Was he... He better not have been it. He was our drummer! We need a drummer! What a prick. I wish I knew how to hold on to sprues. That'd make modeling so much easier. Going too slow. You caused me to flip. What if I cut through that? That's okay. It's just a little bit of electricity. Arsing around is what good Herberts do best. Aw, somebody broke a dish. A smart man would check the price and see if it's really worth storing. But a smart man would also not drive into trees that are very easily avoidable. Oh, I see you've played Knifey Spoony before.
How dare you say that I heard bees.
Ooh.
Oh, it was bin.
Sure it wasn't flies.
Yeah, it was flies.
Same thing. Whoops. Whoopsie doodle. Don't put fresh ones in. Use the ones off the floor. It's clean. I flailed about with a mop last night. This song sounds like circus music.
Well, that sounds like it's a great song.
It's on the Epic station. It's like...
It's epic circus music.
Oh no. I'm sure if I put it down there, it won't matter if it melts down. See, I got a thumbs up. I may have to come up with a wheel-related joke to repeat into the ground. Nothing's coming to me. Might be because I'm tired. Ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha ha.
I've been looking for a wiring tool for a really long time.
There is a wiring tool. There is only a limited amount of boxes that it could be in.
No, I can't find it.
Do I need to ride back there?
Maybe. I am pretty stupid.
I'm pretty sure.
You knew this. You saw my LinkedIn profile. Did you find the wiring tool for me?
I'm on my way. I stopped to make use of that XP thing. It's right in here. The first box I looked in.
Oh, here it is. Thank you. I'm a good survivalsman.
1 mil too much. They're gonna yell at me again. Now they're gonna yell at me for smashing that. Oh my! I'm forgetting my manners. Yeah, that's where we park that. I know I shouldn't park my engines on these switch. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Surely that's back on the rails a bit. Self-rerailing locomotive. Perfect. Wrong amount of... You fucking dog. You got like an extra 100 mils of soup and you're bitching about it? Where's the shitter, cunt? That's how you say it in Australian. The front axle is sort of important. You don't need it, but it's good to have. It is Gorilla Glue. Made from real gorillas. Salmon fillet? I didn't give you any salmon fillet, you stupid shit. Are you mad because I didn't... mad because... He's mad because I haven't washed the pan at all.
Bad cutting technique. Eating mistakes.
Get fucked. It was delicious. AI Worker E could just get out of his fucking harvester and move the tractor that's blocking him. But he's chosen to do this. What the fuck is wrong with your brain?
I don't have one, sir.
That's clear.
Give us a like on Facebook.
No. You'll be getting no likes on Facebook. Let's busk and then go into that venue and kick the audience's dicks off. Because that's what you do when you're a musician. You kick people and injure them horribly. I've thought,
Yeah, that looks kind of interesting, you see.
I don't know why I think like that, but I do. Australians are stupid.
You're an Australian.
Fuck! Australians are fucking great! They're the best.
Fucking mad cubs, eh?
Whoa, no, don't do that. You've broken that. You fuck. Cool, a skelly man. I'll take that. It's really unusual that a build starts with the wheels. But it does allow me to get the really funny brand new jokes out of the way right away. Why can't I jump up there? This is the traditional Herbert can't jump in video games thing again, isn't it? I wonder if it's faster just to pick this up and run up the hill.
That's not in the spirit of the game, Herbert.
Nuts to the spirit of the game. Right in the dick. They call me no top of head Herbert. I don't know what I did there. Did I accidentally cut that box? I'm sure they'll appreciate this in the barge. The things I do for this company. That looks like it's spreading. Is there a fire extinguisher, or is this thing just going to explode? Oh, it's okay. My shift's almost over anyway. Who cares?
I cannot make blueberry pie. I'm not a master chef.
You fucking loser!
Yeah, I know. I learned how to be a loser by observing you.
What an awful meal. That bunker isn't going to hold a lot of coal. It's just going to fall through. My immersion is ruined. Say that again, Herbert. $20 is as cheap as chips. Yeah, chips are fucking expensive now, that's why. You tried to spawn a vulture on me, I'm inside this container. Also, that's good. Ah, no! You can fly in the door. Oh, why is that empty? Well, it says serve the dish, but there's nothing in it. Have your soup, idiot. Well, at least it was fast. What's the... Flavors, perfect. Missing product. Temperature, perfect. Okay. Well, I think we're going bankrupt.
Fill me up, big boy.
Oh no! think I'm dead. I can't breathe this shit. Ammo and shit. Oh
I
no!
put everything.
Ah! I'm being
And you
chased
okay?
I'm being chased by a vulture that Dragan spawned in. It won't catch me if I keep moving.
Good job, Trekan.
Oh no! Oh, now I'm. Oh, I see what you tried to do there. That would have worked if I didn't crash into that rock. How about some more stinky riffs? Pooey! Hooray! And now we make sure that smart, not stupid at all, never forgets anything Herbert, hasn't missed anything. Well, fuck. That worked well. Perfect delivery. I think the answer is mostly, fuck you, Herbert, that's why. Watch out for those spike traps to your right.
Ah, shit biscuits.
No, spike traps.
Oh, yes.
You like Slayer? And you like big poos. Yeah. 63 track pads for each side. I can't count to 63. That's what I know from Herbert Erpaderp's modeling. Perfection. Uh-huh. Yep. That's what I do. Exposure to vacuum is fatal, apparently. Who would have known? And our supervisor was always saying shit like, ah! This is how the real railroads did it. A single man responsible for driving, firing, maintaining the locomotive. Also unloads the train while he lets it roll uncontrolled by itself. He busks naked. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Can you bring some food for me too?
Nah, get fucked.
Oh. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah! I didn't think that would actually start a fire. You're ruining my food! Oh, there's more fire over there. In the fridge, that's where the fire is. All out. What is that? Oh, we got an award. Is that because of our fighting expertise? Can't put it into the food. I can put it into the food. This is definitely not rock and roll. I am listening to the rock station. Why are you giving me the wobbity wob wobs? You aren't getting past. You'll watch me load this trailer up and you'll enjoy it. Bastard.
Go yourself out.
I just sold you a load of stuff, you ungrateful fuck. Hello? It's Ballsack. Look at that fucking wolf.
What?
That's terrible. Aww. Well, that'll probably re-rail itself. That's fine. Oh no! Come on. Yes, yes, yes. These trains are miraculous and self-re-railing. Headlamps, headlamps. Boil 'em, mash 'em, put 'em in a stew. Well, I've left the kitchen in a awful mess. I think it's time for me to quit.